Good AM. Today is January 11, 2024, Thursday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 11, 2024, Thursday. Here are the SL Square 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, January 11, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of January 11, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.